Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to save snaps in gallery. So first, open your Snapchat. Then go to your profile by clicking your avatar. Once you're in here, select the gear icon on the upper right part of your screen. Now once you're on your settings, you'll need to find Memories. Once you've found Memories, tap on it. On this page, under Save Destinations, tap on Save button. The default that I have is Memories, but we need to change it to Memories and Camera Roll. So tap on that. Now let's go ahead and check if we can now save our snaps on gallery. So we'll take a short video in here. Then tap Save. Once it says saved, then it should be saved on your camera roll. For us to make sure, let's go ahead and check. Go to your gallery, and here you'll see under Recents the video that we have just took a while ago. And that's how you save snaps on gallery. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.